What do you mean by park invoice? Once you created invoices, invoices instead of clearing the invoices, okay, you parking all these invoices, all the invoices, then the higher manager will verify and post the invoices. Okay, this is one case. Okay, case one. Suppose the second case is you are creating invoices, okay, but some information is missing. Some information missing in invoice. Okay, so immediately what you did, we are parking this invoice. Okay, we are parking this invoice. Then once you get the information, then you will go to invoice and entering the remaining information, then we'll post the invoice. Okay, so this Spark invoice can do even the invoice is it is in the error message. That means still it is incomplete invoice also you can park it. Still it is incorrect. That means still it is not completed. Those invoices also you can park. But in the top blocking invoice, it is only possible if everything the invoice is cleared. That means everything it is cleared, but there is a price difference is there. But here in this concept, parking invoice, some maybe if the information is missing, then you will be parking that. Okay, let's do in the SAP. This is so many reasons. Parking invoice ఎందుకు చేస్తారంటే మైట్ బి మేనేజర్కి వేరే వర్క్లో ఉన్నాడు అనుకో మేనేజరు నాకు వెరిఫై చేసే టైం లేదనుకో నేను ఏం చేస్తా అంటే ఉన్న జూనియర్కో లైవ్ మ్యాన్కో ఎవరికో ఇచ్చి నువ్వు ఇన్వాయిస్ క్రియేట్ చేశారా నేను తర్వాత వెరిఫై చేసి పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను అంటాడు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావు అంటే నువ్వు ఎంటర్ చేస్తావు డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని ఎంటర్ చేసి అది అలా పెట్టావు పార్క్లో వాడు వచ్చి పార్క్ నుంచి రిలీజ్ చేస్తాడు. ఓకేనా మీ 21 enter entering all these details. It's common. Any what are the data which you are entering, all it is common. And I'll receive. Okay, now he was created. Now MIGO. So purchase order number. So even you received a stock. Okay. So goods also received. Now going to invoice. When you are creating invoice, okay. So enter all the details. Okay. So let's say there is some error is there. Okay, let's assume that okay 5,000 rupees everything it is there, but I still have the doubt with that. Okay, some information I didn't have. That means might be reference not there, or it might be actually the price is it should be like 4,900, but he still it is entered 5,000 rupees. Like suppose let's assume that okay there is some doubts are there. Okay, so or else it might be 5,100 rupees if you received. Okay, 100 rupees is there. So as per the vendor invoice, it is showing 5,100. But as per my PO invoice, it is showing that okay, it is 5,000 rupees. Okay, my amount is 5,000 rupees. But as per the invoice, it is showing 5,100 rupees. So as a layman, okay, as a user, I just entering only. My job is entering the this one. So then what I can do, I can put directly this in the okay parking. So switch to document parking. Okay. So and save. So the document number is parked. So it is went to parking. So the stock the invoice is parked. Still it is error also. Okay, still it is there in the error. Okay, even I can park that. Okay, some information it is missed. Then later what I will do, I will go MIR7, which is transaction for the parked invoice. Okay, then I can enter the my invoice number. Okay, that's then I will validate that. Okay, I just check with my vendor. Okay, sorry, there was some mistake either. Please enter only 5,000. So he said that okay, then I will enter all the details and I will enter the amount also. Okay, then save as a complete or post, whatever you can do it, or similar you can check and you can post it. So still if you want to park, then you can park it, or save as complete or post, you can whatever you want, you can do it. So then, okay, the document is posted. Okay, so it is completed now. So now it is posted, everything. Clear. Now GR invoice is completed. This is the parked invoice. So parked invoice generally when we will do, so might be the lineman he is doing this verification and all, but the manager will post at a time or will do all parked invoice and they will release the invoice. So in uh, in in real time, how it will be like? Okay, so lineman or maybe a financial executive, okay, and financial manager. Okay, so what financial executive will do? He will create the invoices. Will create invoices whatever they received and placing into parked. Okay, parked these invoices, okay, without posting anything. And financial manager, what he will do? Okay, he will check and the entered invoice, then posting the parked invoice. This financial executive have only option to park the invoice. He don't have access to post the invoice. Financial manager can verify and can post. So this is a park invoice. So MIR7, we can see that uh, we can release the park invoice. That's all park invoice.